Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to fix FiveM not opening or crashing issue on Windows step by step in an easy way. So let's get started. Here on the desktop screen, you can see the FiveM file. First, click on the FiveM file, then right-click on it and select Properties. Once the window opens, go to the Compatibility tab and click on Run Compatibility Troubleshooter. This will instantly detect any issues and fix them automatically. Just wait for a few seconds and apply the recommended settings. Then click on Close. Now try to open FiveM again, and in many cases your problem will be fixed. If your problem is still not solved, don't worry. There is another quick fix. Close all background GTA or Rockstar tasks. For this, press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open Task Manager. Now in the list, find GTA5.exe. Right-click on it and click on End Task. Then search for FiveM, right-click, and click on End Task. After that, find Rockstar Games Launcher, right-click, and click on End Task, and also look for Steam. exe, right-click, and click on End Task. This will completely close all related background processes that may be causing the issue. After doing all this, try to launch FiveM again, and now your problem should be fixed, and the game will run smoothly. So that's it. If you like this video, then like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for updates.